Okay, fellow mothers, 60 series crowd, 61, 62. This was a unique opportunity to show the new reproduction 69058-90A as an Apple 04, 90A04. This is the fuel door lock that Toyota discontinued. Comes with a gasket. Comes with a clip for the door, and the client ordered 2 keys. I gave him a key, but I successfully rekeyed it so the black gasket goes on, like that, and this prevents the metal from scratching your door. And we rekeyed it to a key code, which is their private key code, but 1 key both ways. 2 keys both ways, and 3 keys both ways. And I got my new snappy snow version. Let's see if we can get up there. Snow version polycarbonate keychains made by Danny VP here on Mud. But I like the clear. It's kind of, you know, well, it's clear. Your lock and keys work or they don't. So when it comes to your Land Cruiser's keys and locks, think of Toyota Matt and Vintage TQ parts, because we always think outside the box. I came up with that myself. Ha.